Hi crafty friends, it's Desiree here and I'm so excited you're choosing to spend a little bit of crafty time with me. So today I'm going to be making a mini album, a ring mini album using an oval die from Spellbinders, but I really just want to encourage you to use your whatever shape die you have, whether it's a circle or a diamond, whatever pattern you may have, just pull out your shape dies and make an album. Okay, so right now I'm just taking a moment to cut out florals using the Hey Lovely Bloom die from the Stamp Market, and I'll be sure to add all the links to my products in the details section of this video. I did try to multitask and thought I could do a reel and record a YouTube video at the same time, and I did horribly at trying to show each product I was using, so I'm definitely going to get those listed in the details of this video. So my main source of papers were from the 4.25 by 5 by 5 little booklets from the scrapbook.com, which that's what you see me flipping through. I'm just picking colors, and on hand I had the vacation color scheme, the sunshine color scheme, and the sprinkles color scheme, and I think I'm missing one. I also used the floral color scheme, so I just was pulling little cardstock sheets from each booklet to make my florals. And I also had the holographic mirror paper booklet, which is what you see me using right now. I want to kind of frame my cover. Like I said, I'm using a oval die from Spellbinders, and I want to put a little gold frame. So what I did was just double up the dies, put a little washi tape on them to get my little oval that I am adhering to get my little oval frame that I'm adhering to my cover. So one step that I also did was I embossed my cardstock papers with a star embossing folder from Joann's. I'm not going to link it because they're closing, which is really sad, so I'm not going to link it because it's probably sold out, but it was a little star embossing folder from Joann's. I'm going to try to move fast from this topic because it makes me sad that they're closing. So right now I'm just taking my time to build up my florals, and I spent a lot of time doing this, but I tried to cut it down as much as possible because I didn't want to seem repetitive, but I also like to try and give enough details or let you view enough details of what I'm doing so it's self-explanatory. And I did use the gold foil paper with the stars on it. I hope you got a good view of that. I really love these little booklets from scrapbook.com. It keeps you from having to have so many different colors of cardstock on hand, and anytime you need a color you can just grab this book. This is the smaller size. They're also available in the larger size, and I'll try and link them to in the details. So I have a little bit of sequins that I'm putting in the middle of my flowers just to like finish off the flower to give it a completed look. So for each flower, I'm layering about 2 sizes of the flowers together. I think it's about 6 sizes, so you can layer them as you like, and I love that about floral dies. It gives you the freedom to make your project look exactly how you want. And I'm just taking my time to build those and add the sequin in the middle to each flower. And I also had to go back and cut some more leaves. I used one of the green papers from the floral cardstock from scrapbook.com, and I had to cut some more so I can layer some more into the little floral bouquet. It's so pretty, guys. I know I may go overboard with florals, but it's one of my favorite things, and I love using them on all my projects. So let me try and cover a few things because my voice is very dry, and I want to make sure I cover everything before I stop talking and just let you watch. So I used the Sketchbook collection by Bea Valent. I think that's how you say her name. I'm so sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly. She is one of the American crafts designers. I think she's had 2 collections going on 3, and her products are so beautiful. I love using them. So that's going to be the main products I'm using to embellish my album with. Now all my pages are oval. I did use varying size of the oval die so I can stack some of the pattern papers on top of the white paper. And I just took my time to build up each page. I didn't want to overdo each page. I probably have about 6 to 7 pages in this album. It was a cute little album, and that was my goal. Just to create something fun, not too big, and just use up my stash. So I hope you're enjoying this. And I also use smaller pictures. My daughter gave me some old pictures, so I just recycled them and I added them to this album. And it was a really cute project. So I'm just going to let you view. Feel free to drop any questions you may have in the comments, and I hope you enjoy this.